Welcome to Vanbuild episode 20?
20 episodes of van building will get you living pretty comfortably, but it's easy to live comfortably by yourself. Let's cram 2 more dudes in here and really give it a stress test on the way to Texas for Lemonade Float Fest. From Billy's house to Lemonade Float Fest, it was an 11-hour drive. We split up the driving, so I actually got some time in the passenger seat and I could get some work done in the back. I ran the printer pretty much the whole time and didn't have any problems printing while driving. However, the rest of the van is very shaky and not everything is secured. So that's a problem, and I need to fix this problem so the van can be finished. We ran into some traffic on I-10 and we had to get off the interstate here. This is a small bump. Alright, this is what the inside of the van sounds like going 80 miles an hour.
Look at this. Look at it. Look at the monitor. The mouse just keeps moving. The printer, the 3D printer is absolutely fine.
So I couldn't be more happy with the van's capabilities. I could stay parked and finish the van a lot faster, but I have a van, so I'm gonna travel and go on road trips with buddies and just have a good old time. With Billy's expert navigation, we finally made it to Texas. Our only goal on this road trip was to spread stoke and shred gnar.
Nice save, nice save. Nice save, nice save.
Dude, look at that truck!
Are we going back up?
Nice save, nice save.
I think this is the most fun part.
Party time!
Oh, I don't like walking.
Sorry, buddy. Okay, I am back at Billy's,
Let's get rowdy!
and I have come to the conclusion that I need less stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work.
Trolleos, van life content, Trolleos, one wheel content, Trolleo has the best content every Monday. He's got every Sunday he remembers he forgot.